Starting a garden can be exciting, but a little overwhelming too. Don't worry, we've got your back. Today, we are sharing the top 5 low-maintenance crops perfect for beginners. These crops are easy to grow, require minimal care, and will give you a rewarding harvest. Let's dive in. First up, the humble radish. Radishes are like the fast food of the garden, ready to harvest in just 3 to 4 weeks. They need loose soil, a sunny spot, and occasional watering. Perfect for salads or snacks. They're a great choice for beginners. Next, we have spinach. This leafy green is both healthy and easy to grow. Spinach thrives in cooler weather, making it ideal for spring or fall. Just sow the seeds, water regularly, and watch the nutritious leaves grow. Number 3. Green beans. Whether bush or pole beans, these hardy plants need little care. Just provide support for climbing varieties and water consistently. Picking fresh beans right off the plant is one of the simplest joys of gardening. Zucchini takes the 4th spot. If you want a crop that practically grows itself, zucchini is it. 1 or 2 plants can supply you with enough for the whole season. Give it full sun and regular watering, and you're all set. Last but not least, potatoes. Plant a few seed potatoes, and in a few months, you'll be digging up a bounty. Potatoes grow well in various soils and require little maintenance, making them an excellent choice for beginners. So, there you have it, our top 5 low-maintenance crops for beginners. These easy-to-grow options will boost your confidence as you start your gardening or farming journey. Ready to get growing? Grab some seeds, get your hands dirty, and enjoy the harvest. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more gardening and farming tips.